Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Misha. I'm a professional interior designer. I'm so excited to doing this video for so long. My first DIY video on YouTube. Hope you will like it. No matter the season, we all love flowers. But now, as we all are under lockdown and have ample amount of time, let's decorate our home with some DIY flowers. After all, that's all about fresh starts. Before we start, I would like to share that I'm not so good with real flowers. You actually have to pay attention to them regularly and give them water and all. If you want to decorate in a unique way, these flowers are exactly what you need. Beautiful paper flowers will sure make an excellent addition to your home decor. This is so easy, you could make them with your kids. You only need few material to make this flower. We need A4 size paper. Now this can be a cartridge, kite paper or any other A4 size paper. We need Fevicol and scissors. So let's get started. Some use normal printer paper or color while others use different type of paper such as crepe paper or tissue paper. So let's learn how to make beautiful flower to impress guests and beautify your home without having to make any major design changes. Step number 1, take this A4 size sheet and fold it into half. Like this. So you'll get the center line. Now I'll make a square out of it. So this is what you get. You'll get a square. I'll cut to get these 2 squares. So we need 4 squares of same size. After that, you have to fold 2 ends together. And you'll get this triangle. And then again join 2 ends to get a smaller triangle. Now this triangle should open like this. Still not yet done. You have to fold it again. So until and unless you get the smaller triangle, fold it. Now after this, we'll cut the petal shape. Now I'm holding like this. Make sure you don't do cutting from this area. So you have to only take the edge from here and cut it into round form. You have to repeat the same step to make another 3 petals like this. So as you can see, we got these 4 flower shape paper. Now what we have to do with this, to make a beautiful rose, step number 1 in the process of this flower is to cut 1 petal. So what I've done, I have only cut 1 petal. In the second, I'll cut 2. In third, I'll cut 3. And in fourth, I'll cut 4. I'll take Fevicol and put it at this particular area and join it. Now what I've done, I've overlapped on the other petal so that I'll get a better shape. So automatically it will come like this. Second one was this. Randomly I'll just put Fevicol. Again I'll get this shape. Then third. Then we have fourth. And the last one. I'm putting the Fevicol at the edge and just join it. To give that more realistic look, what you can do is take a help of pencil and give a little bit round over here, or you can do it with your finger also. So I'm bending my petals like this. Okay, now let's get started with the final finishing of my flower. So as you can see, this is the base bigger part. So what I'll do, I'll take the smaller one. I'll put Fevicol on this corner at the bottom and I'll join. So you just have to join like this. And let it dry for a while. Then this is the another portion which we have cut. Now we'll put Fevicol. Same procedure has to be repeated again. So you have to repeat this until and unless you complete your all petals which you have cut. And you won't realize that you'll get your beautiful rose which you can decorate in your house. So whatever cuttings we have done, one by one we have to put a Fevicol in this tip, this area, and just paste it. And trust me guys, if you're not good in handicraft or craft paperwork, still it will be easy for you to do it. One of the easiest flower, and you can experience once you'll make it on your own. And this is the final one. Let it dry for a while. And my flower is ready. Plus, I have to say I really like the fact that these beautiful blossoms that will stay pretty for years with no extra effort required. You can use these paper creation to decorate your home or as a heartfelt gift. If you want to decorate in a unique way, these flowers are exactly what you need. Beautiful paper flowers will sure make an excellent addition to your decor. If you like such decor videos, so do let us know in comment section below. I'll really appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe Design by Misha.